Hi Ferndale, Mark Reimers here with your preview of the April 2nd edition of the Ferndale Record. And I'm here at Ferndale Mini Market, and that's because they have a great project going on in partnership with Scrap It. Basically, this big container behind me is getting filled up for the victims of the Oso mudslide. They initiated it just on Friday, and a lot of good stuff going into there. There's a lot of information on a flyer floating around town, also in the store here, to tell you what you can contribute. And Scrap It themselves, they're going to deliver it once it fills up. So this is your chance. Come on into Ferndale Mini Market and help out. We told you about that on our front page this week, our paper edition, online of course. Other things on our front page, we have a local student at Ferndale High School conducting another fundraiser of his own for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. It's a pretty personal fundraiser for him, and thank you to Annika Walters for writing that up for us. We have a few other things. Our business page features Apple Farms, a new store opened up and a grand opening coming as well later this month. We have education and sports, all sorts of other good stuff in this issue this week, so give us a read. FerndaleRecord.com and on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks.